All right, so it's December 18th. Um, got in some trades for um New York session of this morning. It's currently I think just after 11. Yeah, 11:13. I'm gonna go over these real quick. So, yeah. So market's open, and recently I've been seeing we've been trading in a pretty, we've been ranging for a while. So this is the lowest point before price broke this high. Boom. Price came up, came down, came up, came down. Price hasn't been able to break this high for a while. So we're just in, we've just been in a range, my bad. But yeah, we continue to see internal breaker structures, lower low, lower high, lower low. But overall swing structure is bullish. We haven't seen a break of any major lows. Like up here, haven't seen a break of this, haven't seen a break of this. You know, it's constantly been higher highs than higher lows. You can see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It's the match of lows. So just scaling in, we've been new this for these past few days, but going this for today, considering we've been getting closer and closer to this level and stopping closer and closer to it. You saw how here we got here, stopped all the way down here, got here again. Now we're stopping way closer. Kind of confident that price might be able to push through, depending on what type of um, momentum we see. So, so saw price got to this level, and for me, it was either price broke through this level and continued down, continued to the downside because this would have been a breaker structure, or price bounces off this area here and continues up. Hindsight, we know it continues up. So 5 minute, a scale down, like this, like this. Um, yeah, pre-market open or actually during New York, but we see price create a higher low here, push up. Price already has mitigated this zone a lot, but price came down again. Why? Because price wanted to grab this liquidity here. If I'm a buyer, most times out of not, you see a strong momentum push like this, a higher low, you're gonna enter off of a buy. Boom. There's a lot of liquidity sitting under here, sitting under this area in specific, and price grabbed. I saw strong momentum. So the first trade I entered, I saw price get down here. I tried to enter off of this fair value gap. I'm just not gonna try trading this. I don't really understand it. Yeah. I tried trading off of here, like entered here, stop loss like down here, got stopped out really fast, but that's my fault. It was a bad trade. Um, however, I waited. I waited a few minutes, and I saw price get all the way down here, create this strong wick, and close back in the range. I entered up here, kind of got top whipped, but I held the trade and price continued up. Didn't wait for the close. I saw this strong momentum. Imagine this was all blue. Like this was all blue. That doesn't even show. Like it was just all blue like that, and I entered off of that. TP to London High, which was it was right here. And note for the future, did get a little bit of FOMO. Although I know that price is not FOMO. I guess so. Yeah. Although I know that price is breaking structure. Although we haven't seen a break of this high yet when I enter the trade, I know that price isn't just going to simply sweep liquidity here, get to this major area where price has reacted several times, not break through, because if it breaks through, I mean, this pushing down. We see strong candlesticks straight off of this area, which shows what? Institutional buying. So entering on this buy is not a bad idea whatsoever. And being confident in it isn't a bad idea either. So as I saw price getting here, this is where the set and forget comes into play, where knowing that I'm very confident in my setup, I should just let the price play out. I saw a fair value gap here too. This one did play out better than This one, I'm not sure why, but I'm not even gonna try trading this stuff. I don't really understand it too much. It seems a little iffy for me. Plus, I'm not really scaling in too much. I'm getting one good trade, and I'm out. But yeah, I saw price coming down a little bit here. I exited where I drew this line, and then price just slammed up. But it was right next to my TP, so I'm not too aggravated about it. But I do need to work on sticking with my trade and just not wavering. You know, price is going to momentarily push down a little bit. Come on, it's gonna happen. But knowing overall, I'm on the 5 minute. Mini pushbacks don't really affect me, and yeah, I just need to be confident. We see price pushing all the way up. Um, just gonna wait till tomorrow to trade this. Tomorrow's gonna be Friday, last day of the week, to see what we could get from Friday. But yeah, I mean, this was an A+ trade. The second one was A+ trade. Is what we look for. We see super liquidity down into this area of really demand, a strong area of demand, or just support/resistance. Every time it gets here, it reacts every single time. So I'm not gonna bet that right now it's gonna drop. If I saw it drop and close below, then it would have been a whole different story. But it pushed above, it closed above on the 5 minute. So and it reacted strongly, which it did over here, over here, over here, reacted very strongly. So we're likely not going to see price get to back to these levels in a while because price is going to just slam all the way up. Probably going to see price tap back into this area here. This little area right here. See price tap back into this area. But gonna journal, and I'm off the charts until tomorrow morning. I'm not going to continue filling my mind with trading and just overthinking and trying to enter during sessions that don't abide by my mechanical structure. So hey, I'm off the trades. The charts, I got one good trade of 1 to 4. Realistically, a 1 to 3, I think. Yeah, a 1 to 3. Could have been a 1 to 4. Wasn't just gonna work on that. Because every time I place my trades through my back testing, I see that most of the time that my trades will go in profit. They will hit TP. And if they don't, that means I either placed my TP too far or it was just not a good trade. And those scenarios, I'm willing to um I'm willing to wait out. But yeah, that's basically it for this morning. And yeah.